Hello students, in last class we discussed classification, nomenclature and preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this class we discuss physical and chemical properties of the alkyl halides and aryl halides, or you can say haloalkanes and haloarenes. In physical property we discuss the physical state of the alkyl halides and the boiling point of these compound is low due to the absence of hydrogen bonding. No doubt these are polar in nature, but the hydrogen bonding is not present. When we discuss the sequence of fluoride, chloride and bromide and iodide, due to the bigger size of iodide, the boiling point of same alkyl but different halo compound is increases with increase in size of halo group. If the halogen is same but the alkyl groups are different, then due to the increase in number of carbon atom in a chain, the boiling point is increases because of increase in size. If we discuss about the isomers, so more is the surface area, more is the boiling point. That's why in case of butyl bromide, the normal butyl bromide having higher boiling point as compared to tertiary one. We assume that alkyl halides are polar, that's why they are water soluble, but actually the all haloalkanes are water insoluble due to the absence of hydrogen bonding, because the polarity of alkyl halide is not sufficient to form hydrogen bond. Next we discuss chemical properties of the alkyl halide. The first property is nucleophilic substitution reaction, simple replacement reaction. In this, the negatively charged halide group is replaced by any other nucleophile and form different compounds. Now we discuss the mechanism of substitution, or you can say nucleophilic substitution reaction. These reactions go through two types, SN1 and SN2 type. In SN2 type of mechanism, the rate of reaction is depend on the concentration of two reactant, alkyl halide as well as nucleophile. Because in this reaction, the bond breaking means the cleavage of halide group and the attachment of any nucleophile is simultaneously. This is the state of intermediate, and in next step, the halide group is released and the respective nucleophile is attached to the reactant. In this case, the slow step is rate determining step, and in this stage there are two reactants. That's why the reaction is called second order reaction. See, in this reaction, the nucleophile is attacked from back side. The front attack of nucleophile is not possible because the halide group is also negatively charged, so they repel each other. That's why the attack of any nucleophile is always from back side. That's why the product is invert product, means the position of nucleophile is just opposite to the attached halide group. So this SN2 mechanism is one of the example of inversion. This inversion we already discussed in last video. Next type of mechanism is SN1 type of mechanism. In this mechanism, the rate of reaction is depend on only one reactant. This mainly occur in 3-degree alkyl halide. In this case, first carbocation is formed, and in next step, any nucleophile is attack on the product. The carbocation, due to the steric hindrance, the back attack of nucleophile is not possible. That's why first it convert into carbocation, and in next step product is formed. This first step is slow step, and keep in mind the slow step is rate determining step. This carbocation is planar in nature, so the attack of any nucleophile may be from left side, may be from right side. So we obtain either the same product or the invert product. Additionally, here we also obtain the invert product. That means the solution is the obtained solution is racemic in nature. When the same product is formed, this process is called retention, where the position of halide and the nucleophile is same. So simply the primary alkyl halide go through SN2 mechanism, whereas tertiary alkyl halide go through SN1 mechanism. There are some examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction where alkyl halide react with different reactant and form so many type of product like alcohol, ether, ester, cyanide, isocyanide, alkyl nitrile, nitroalkanes, amines, alkanes, and even this reaction is very useful to obtain higher alkyne. This reaction is very useful for the conversion purpose also. If we want to convert higher alkyne, then this type of reaction is very important. In cyanide, triple bond is present. That's why cyanide group is a very good intermediate, and further by different reaction it convert into different product. Hydrolysis, you can say acidic hydrolysis, cyanide convert into, by acidic hydrolysis cyanide convert into an acid. By basic hydrolysis it convert into an amide, whereas by reduction we obtain amine. So these reactions are very important, these reactants are very important. To convert respective product we use this specific reactants. The second chemical property of the alkyl halide is beta elimination. The meaning of beta elimination is what? The nearby carbon atom of the halogen containing carbon. Here in this case this carbon is beta carbon. When it heated with alcoholic KOH, then by the release of HX an alkene is formed. If in any example there are two beta carbon atom, then if this beta carbon atom is used, for example in 2-bromobutane, if this beta carbon is used, then 1-butene is obtained, but if this beta carbon is used, 2-butene is obtained. This 2-butene is always obtained in measured quantity because the more alkylated alkene is more stable. This is also known as, this is called Sedgwick rule. You see, in this 1-butene only one alkyl group is present, but in this case there are two alkyl groups. That's why this is obtained as measured product. For dehydration, this beta elimination reaction is also known dehydrohalogenation, removal of HX. Tertiary alkyl halide are more reactive towards this type of reaction. The next property is reaction with metal. When any alkyl halide react with magnesium in dry heat, ether, or you can say an anhydrous medium, then alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. This RMgX is known as Grignard reagent. This is an universal reagent and used to prepare so many compounds we discuss in next classes. This RMgX is one of the very good example of organometallic compound where the carbon atom is directly attached with a metal. The next metal is sodium metal. When any alkyl halide react with sodium, again in anhydrous medium, alkane is formed. In this case, the carbon atom is just double. The name of this reaction is Woods reaction. When an alkyl halide and one aryl halide is react, alkyl benzene is formed. The name of this reaction is Woods-Fittig reaction. And when 2 mole of aryl halide is react with sodium in dry ether, then biphenyl is formed. The name of reaction is Fittig reaction. These three are very important name reaction only due to the difference in type of alkyl or aryl halide. Next, we discuss here some important properties of haloarenes. First is same nucleophilic substitution reaction, but the aryl halide are least reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is due to the presence of resonance. In case of resonating structure of suppose chlorobenzene, we know the transfer of electron from group to ring and the positive charge, partial positive charges appear on carbon and the negative charge spread on ortho and para position. To draw the resonating structure of chlorobenzene. So here you draw the resonating structure of chlorobenzene, and due to the resonance, here you see between carbon and chlorine partial double bond is present. So the cleavage for nucleophilic substitution reaction is comparatively tough. Chlorine having positive charge, so again the nucleophilic substitution reaction is not easy. So simply on special condition only, chlorobenzene is react with aqueous NaOH and convert into phenol. The chlorobenzene does not react just like alkyl halide and not form so many type of products. The next is electrophilic substitution reaction. In resonating structure of chlorobenzene, you see the position of electron density. The electron density on ortho and para position is high. That's why electrophile means the positively charged group is attack on ortho as well as on para position. So here we discuss the 5 type of electrophilic substitution reaction: halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation, and obtain different type of product where the attacking group attack on ortho and para position. So this is all about chapter alkyl and aryl halide. Here I give you some questions to check your knowledge. First, you complete the NCERT chapter exercise and text question as well as back exercise. If you have any doubt, then ask me on my personal number also you can call. And here are some questions. So just to check your knowledge, complete these questions. Thank you.